Good morning, grade 5 learners. Today, the focus of our lesson will be the properties of metals, but specifically looking at heat conduction, or rather how heat is conducted through metals as one of the 7 properties of metals. And obviously, as usual, today's lesson will be narrated by myself, Mr. Hayden, your class teacher. So, right, diving into today's lesson, let's first look at the 7 properties of metal, just as a quick recap. Firstly, metals are strong, meaning they may bend, but they may not break. Number 2, most metals are hard, but some metals are harder than others. Number 3, they are shiny, so you might have to polish them to see them shine, especially if they are dirty. Number 4, metals are malleable, meaning that they can be hammered into different shapes. Then number 5, metals can be made into very thin wires, and by that we mean that they are ductile. And then number 6, metals melt at very, very high temperatures. And then number 5, which is today's topic, is they can conduct heat, meaning that heat can travel through them. Right? And today that is the focus of our lesson, that heat can travel through metals. And then just as a quick brain teaser, number 8, words to remember: strong, hard, shiny, malleable, ductile, and they have the ability to melt. Right, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words. Right, and I want to see if you can remember those 6 words quickly before moving on to the next slide. Right, feel free, teachers, to pause the video at this stage. Right, moving on to the next slide, here's a quick picture. Here we can see that conduction is when heat rises via convection, and as the heat rises, we can see this metal rod heats up, and because it's hot here and it's cooler there, the heat will actually travel through the metal rod towards the cooler end.
We have rods of different metals attached to a central hub. On each of the rods is a small amount of butter. The metal rods have different specific heats and will heat up at different rates. We will watch the order in which the butter melts. The aluminum melts first. The brass melts second. The iron melts third. The nickel melts fourth. The copper melts fifth. The stainless steel melts sixth.
So for this part of the activity, right, we are trying to engage in some discussion as well as using the Edpuzzle link posted above, just in order for you to engage with each other. And then also, if you wish to, you can type in your answers in the Edpuzzle link, or you can just engage with each other and then try to answer the questions collectively. So our first question is, what does the word conduction mean? And if you look at this experiment over here, we can see the candle and we can see the 6 different types of metal, and you can see the pats of butter which are at the end of each type of metal. So what does the word conduction mean? Right, then going,
we have 4 different types of metals, right? 5
to
different types of
the
metal.
next
We have
question.
silver, brass, aluminum, stainless steel, and copper. At the end of each one is just a little pat of butter. We're going to light the candle.
Right, next question. For the purpose of this experiment, why do you think the man is using butter? Right, so here we need to think back, right? Use your worksheet or use your textbook and just try to figure out, discuss with each other and think, why is he using a pat of butter at the end of each type of metal?
The candle underneath here, the heat through radiation and convection will rise, hit the center, and conduct out through each spoke. So we can see which type of metal will conduct heat the best.
Right, there are 5 different types of metal: aluminium, silver, copper, brass, and stainless steel. And please remember these types because you will be needing them in the following question.
So we'll light the candle and start the timer.
The timer is important.
Let's see.
Right, so before we continue, which type of metal will conduct heat the quickest? And right, so here we are watching and we are trying to figure out which fat of butter will melt off first from which type of metal.
minutes. And
Alright, so here he's just saying that the first three types of metal that conducted heat, the quickest was aluminium, then copper, then brass, followed by silver, and then lastly stainless steel, which conducted heat the least, right? That one took the longest.